Hey, now this looks like a fun gadget. This is the ChillGo foldable neck fan. It's specified as having a huge battery life, 3 speed levels, with all the functionality that you don't expect with other traditional neck fans. And you know what? Because the temperature is actually hot this week in the UK, it's going to give us the opportunity to see if this neck fan is actually any good. Ah, nice. A safety warning. Inside, we do get a very simplistic user manual. There's a Type-C charge cable, and the ChillGo neck fan itself, which at first glances, it certainly does look a lot more modern looking than some of the other disastrously designed neck fans I've seen. It is quite weighty though, weighing around 340 grams, which is not really that surprising, as it does have that whopping 5200 mAh internal battery. Let's go ahead and try it on. And you know what? Apart from the fact that it is a little bit small for me, as I do have an average sized neckline, it actually does fit quite well and somewhat secure. You can incline the ends of the neck fan in order to hug against your neck, and you can indeed move around swiftly with it on. In regards to the design, the neck fan itself has those gloss white accents to the ends, turbo brushless fans sitting on the inner sides, with these safety caps on the outer side air vents that protects, I guess, against possible hair pinches. We have 2 more fans on the neck part of the band, with 2 inlets on the reverse side, with air conditioning vents sitting to the top. The whole unit can be folded kind of compact, folding to around 6 inches, extending back out to around about 7.5 inches in length, with a Type-C charge port sitting to the right. Let's go ahead and power it on. That's kind of lovely. No, that's first class. Okay, so first of all, the buttons are not easily to blindly master. No, you've actually got to take that neckband off in order to change the speed settings. Okay, so the buttons, they actually do light up too. Not only that, but the power button, it also acts as the 3 speed option settings. 1, 2, 3. With 4 presses of that same button, turning it off. With regards to the pause button, is it actually doing anything? Hang on a minute. Give us a minute. 1 minute later. Alright, false alarm guys. So this pause button right here, it actually does control those rear fans. So you will indeed be able to direct the airflow direction to basically where you want to feel the airflow from, either the front or the rear. So lots of adjustability to be had. Let's just power through those 3 speed settings to its highest speed level, and it feels pretty good. Those fans do surprisingly provide fantastic cooling, with brilliant airflow all around, with a gentle airflow up the rear of my neck. It does have good adjustments to the front ends, making things a little bit more cooler when those fans are brought closer, and okay, at high speed the fans, they are a little bit noisy to myself. I mean really, they're just about as noisy as any other traditional neck fan band. Me personally, I do like this product. I didn't think I actually would, but I can see its uses, especially if you're venturing abroad this year for your holidays. I mean, I've read through some various websites. Like it says here, it's not only a fan, but for fashion, which complements any outfits. I don't know about that. I don't think I'll be rocking this out and about while in Manchester, no. But again, I can definitely see its uses. I do think it's a good accessory that you can use out around the pool. And you know what? And actually, to be honest, if you've got those moaning kids that are saying, it's too hot, then rather than put your hands around the neck, you can just smash this neckband around the neck. Turn those fans on, and they should be nice and peaceful from then on. Yes. So like I said, this whole unit is really easy to fold up. It's compact and very good to carry. And if you give us a few hours later, I can confirm to you right now that you will get around about 1 hour 47 minutes use using this ChillGo neck fan on its highest speed. Now you can get more time should you wish if you do lower that speed setting to its lowest setting, and it would take you 2 hours 46 minutes to fully charge this from flat. Now I will be rating this a full 8 out of 10, but if you want to check this ChillGo neck fan out for yourself, well, I've left a handy little link in the video description down below. If you like what you've seen within this video, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video. Sharing is caring. But support us right now by subscribing, will ya? Nice one. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on all our new uploads. Now if you want to check one of our previous videos out, it will be showing on screen just now. There it is. Click it. Go on. You're not done it yet? Or are you waiting for this next one right here? Well, click this one then. Thank you. But if you've not, I hope to see you guys around on our very next video.